beginning of civilization, the five-lettered enigma called fashion has cast a magical spell on the human lifestyle. And nowhere does the magic feel so amazing as in the wonder called India. The bright, colorful, vibrant, thrilling expression that India's ethnic fashion gives is not just a visual feast, but its stunning variety simply baffles the world. Never before in history has the impact of fashion on Indian lifestyle been so dramatic yet so compulsive as it is today, when the subcontinent is becoming an active part and parcel of the fashion world at large. In today's world, the fashion industry is catering to the masses, paying heed more matter-of-factly to the need of a vastly segmented cross-cultural universe. The growing competition among marketeers to woo the widest possible customers in the fast-emerging global fashion village throws out a challenge of a special kind. Industrial houses and astute marketeers the world over are busy devising a big game plan to survive and prosper in the most volatile yet highly promising and fertile dream market that keeps booming. In this hot world of fashion, and amidst the frantic craze for the gold rush, India, the great subcontinental giant, is getting ready for a real big leap. Today, India is recommitting itself with a renewed vigor to raise the fashion flag high in the map of the world. And for that, it needs a strong, efficient, and highly productive infrastructural base. Nature has given all its bounty in the shape of raw materials which India can boast of. But after that, the urgent need is of a vast pool of highly proficient fashion professionals with a specialized caliber to match the global standards of excellence. And to achieve exactly that state of supremacy for the nation, the International Institute of Fashion Technology comes into being as a revolution, so that the nation can celebrate its cherished dream.
Welcome to this fun-filled, colorful, exciting and scintillating world of fashion. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's magical. It's all here for you.
Or the International Institute of Fashion Technology, was founded in 1990 at New Delhi by Mr. Ratandeep Lal, a man with rare pioneering spirit. With a strong love for the nation and fashion, Mr. Lal could see what today he calls the terrible contradiction. The number of young aspirants fresh from schools and colleges wanting a career in fashion were fast growing. But on the other hand, there was a dead scarcity of institutional support holding any promise. On one side, there was a global market standard, rigidly asking for perfection, that forced the Indian fashion industry frantically looking for fashion professionals with specialized knowledge to give the best in quality.
International Institute of Fashion Technology is established in 1990, and once we have established the institute, at that time there was no institute as far as the fashion education is concerned. And due to the popularity of the fashion education in India and the growing demand from the Indian garment industry, we have taken the decision to start the one fashion institute that is now known as the International Institute of Fashion Technology. In this institute, we generally provide the fashion education as far as the quality is concerned, production is concerned, management is concerned. The various aspects of the Indian garment industry is thoroughly learned here by the various students, those who are coming from the various parts of India, and we are providing the education for fashion designing, merchandising, and the other areas of the garment business. And beside doing the fashion education, the International Institute of Fashion Technology is giving the corporate training, providing the consultancy services, and also doing a lot of work as far as the fashion forecasting is concerned. And we are also providing the CAD Tech education, that is known as the computer aided designing education. We have also recently launched 2 years back the Video Fashion, that is a magazine related to the fashion industry of India, and that is known as a Fashion Vision. And this Fashion Vision video magazine is only catering to the garment industry needs, what is happening around in India as far as the fashion is concerned, forecasting is concerned, designing is concerned, and various aspects of the garment industry which any person can go through, and then obviously they can learn all about the fashion industry in India. So we generally give the various aspect to the students, those who are interested to establish the boutiques or the young industry as far as the garment is concerned. The institute is organizing so many fashion shows. In the previously we have seen not any fashion institute where any fashion shows is organized so frequently, because the young designers, they require a lot of boost as far as the industry is concerned, as far as their talent is concerned, to just tell the industry ki yes, we have the talent. During the past 5 years we have organized more than 15 fashion shows. That is as far as the record is concerned in India. And the education wise, previously we have seen that only the few institutes were existed and the seats were very limited, and in IFT we are teaching to the masses. We are teaching the approximately more than 3,000 students in a year. That is a strength wise we are the biggest as far as the student teaching is concerned.
On the other side, ironically enough, there was almost no infrastructural facility to provide the required specialized training that makes quality professionals. The few institutes that existed were too expensive for the common yet brilliant aspirant to think of making fashion a career. Even the seats were limited. The concerned, sensitive, thoughtful and futuristic professional in Mr. Lal could feel the depth of the situation. Lal foresaw the state of things to come and decided firmly to take on the challenge.
At that time, there's only one institute that was just going to start, that was NIFT. That is, everything, everybody knows. That was just going to start. So at that time, I was working in the project in London for India. That's also, once we have given the advertisement, lot of students, lot of girls, and in fact by the IFT we have gone through that lot of male students are entering, because previously it was a hypothesis ki this is the only field for the girls, and lot of boys are very much not interested in going, because it was discouraged by their parents ki this is only the tailoring line, or this is the only for girls offer. But now till today you can just go and have all the best designers of India, they are the male members.
IIFT, to start with, was typically structured to impart fashion education that promised a high degree of professionalism. IIFT is busy achieving this goal, excellence through exercise, the motto of IIFT. And the whole structural makeup and functional orientation is so tailor-made that the objective is achieved. Subject matters are very carefully selected, keeping in mind the dynamics, intricacies, and promise of the fashion world. Fashion designing, apparel merchandising, accessory designing are subjects taught in IIFT by experts with the finest academic background and international exposure. IIFT gives a solid thrust to practical application. All students are given the much needed practical guidance through factory visits to beef up what they learn from teachers, books, latest journals, seminars and symposiums. At IIFT, the windows are always open to the outside world. Because of its active association with many international fashion agencies, IIFT keeps in tune with the latest that is happening around the world. The change that occurs in the fashion streets of Paris, London, Milan and New York are fast discovered, and how the varied geographical zones of the global market respond to it are analyzed and studied, keeping in mind the cross-cultural phenomenon that works. No wonder every IFTian in the process gets thoroughly acquainted with the behavioral mechanism of the complex fashion world.
खरीदते हैं, हमें उसके बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं होता है कि डिज़ाइनिंग क्या है, गारमेंट्स को कैसे डिज़ाइन किया जाता है. हम लोग इसे ऑर्डिनरी वे में लेते हैं, लेकिन ये काफ़ी डिटेल में है, काफ़ी इसके बारे में कुछ ऐसे कह सकती हूँ लाइक टेक्सटाइल में बनने, फैब्रिक बनने के बाद उससे गारमेंट की कैसे शेप दी जाती है, ये सब कुछ हमें यहाँ पे बताया जाता है.
I think like nowadays more emphasis is on exports.
And there is also the lots of creativity in this.
Actually, I've always thought that dressing up is not only being glamorous, but it's a way of life, it's a way of looking good and feeling good. And there were certain things, I always wanted to buy certain garments which were not according to what I always wanted. So I felt I could do this course and I could bring out what I really have in mind. I had that talent and I came to this institute so that my teachers can help me to bring that out and I can give it to other people too.
Basically, when I used to design something, I was not aware of all the things. So by coming here, I'm exposed to new silhouettes and new things, so I can create better.
We have a lot of talented teachers, and there's a lot of exposure, and especially the one-year course that I'm doing, we have quite a few subjects which we are covering, like we have stitching, drafting, and then embroidery, pattern making, things like that. And there's also an exposure to computers, if one likes, which is the latest. So I think it's quite well equipped.
Understanding the very pulse of the fashion industry makes the IFTians mature to hardcore, success-prone fashion professionals who can meet the challenge of change, who can foresee future happenings and can react fast, very objectively, to any eventuality that keeps surfacing in the fast-changing world of fashion, be it in design, market, sales promotion, or customer satisfaction.
In 18th century, the same wire petticoat or loop petticoats were bought of which we are not composing. We are making it together, placing it together.
The most interesting yet highly appreciable fact of IIFT's teaching methodology is the concept of the creative classroom. If you teach the best, teach in a way that is the best. This being the basic motto, IIFT tries harder to make the classroom atmosphere such that absolute freedom prevails and creativity flourishes. Every single student's psychosocial trait is silently observed, and teachers are instructed to manage accordingly.
You cannot come.
It is here in the classroom that ample scope is given for the fearless growth of new ideas, however wild or nonsensical they may seem to be. No wonder many a latent genius that lies dormant in any student is rightly explored and given proper shape that finally brings out originality, efficiency, and productivity so that a champion is born. Hostel accommodation is given to students who come from various corners of India. Admission charges are taken in installments to make it easier for the not so economically privileged. Early morning classes are also organized for those who are in offices yet aspire to make a career in fashion. Scholarships are awarded to the needy and to the brilliant. Today, IIFT has already become the befitting ego of tomorrow's fashion professionals, and one can see that every single student of IIFT carries with pride a positive attitude. For he or she knows if you're an IFTian, you just leave impressions wherever you are. Who does not know that the best trained naturally deliver the best job? Every single IFTian knows that. It's just a matter of time when the whole fashion industry will happily acknowledge it. Yes, IIFT as a revolution could make the impossible possible. Perfectly trained fashion professionals with a highly specialized knowledge bank are fast emerging from the institute year after year. The process of giving organized direction to the infant fashion industry of India has started with a promising note, and the future looks full of sunshine.
As far as the future plan is concerned, we are trying to get the scholarship to be introduced in the IFT, because that is a very important aspect of the things which we have to concentrate, because previously I have not seen any single scholarship schemes are available in India previously. And also we are trying to have the relationship with the international agencies so that we can have the overseas student exchange programs, because obviously we are trying to get the more computer aided designing facility for the student, so that the student can get the complete education what they are getting in London, New York, as well as in Milan and the Paris.
We all classmates, in fact we all students of IIFT have been given a very systematized training to us
all very good sketching classes we had, and everything was very systematic. Like every teacher was very professional in their subjects, and side by side our principal has organized so many fashion shows. We have designed so much, like we have gained so much of practical knowledge from these fashion shows.
As far as the objective of International Institute of Fashion Technology is concerned, we are providing the education in the ready-made garment business, providing the fashion designing courses, we are providing the merchandising, we are providing the education in the as far as the quality is concerned, costing is concerned, production is concerned, documentation is concerned. So in all, that institute is involved in the complete studies of the garment industry as a whole.